This is how to verify your TikTok account with this new method. You can do it on your laptop or mobile, but before, make sure to log out from your account before using it. As you can see, this is the account that we will verify. It's new. It's an account for one of my clients. Let's refresh the page and see. This is the account. It's not verified, as you can see. Now let's go to this website, for-t.net/tk, and this is the website that we gonna use to verify our account. This is how it works. You just need to type in the username, as you can see here in this image, and complete the steps. It's very easy. I will show you how. 4 easy steps, as you can see, and after you read this instruction, you can go now and type in your username, your TikTok username, as you can see here, and click confirm to confirm it. Now confirm it again, and let's wait for the injection process to complete. Now this tool will inject the blue tick or the blue check mark to our account, as you can see here. Now the captcha, it's the last step to finalize this process. You need to complete this captcha. It's very easy. Just choose a task from here and complete it. In my case, I need to complete 5 questions, as you can see. 5 questions to bypass this captcha. Every country has its own captcha or its own offers and tasks. In my case, I have to answer 5 questions, but you may have to complete a survey or download an app or sign up on a website. That depends on the country that you're in, and the task is different from one to another. And after you complete the questions, you can go now and refresh your account. As you can see, the captcha is completed now, and all we have to do is refresh our account to see if the blue tick or the blue check mark is added. And as you can see here, it's successfully added and the account is successfully verified. Let's refresh it again. As you can see, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. It's really working. I really advise you to go and try it for yourself and try it for your account. It's really safe on your account and 100% secure and guaranteed that it will verify your account. Thank you guys again for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I see you soon in another video.